KW Master Barber, universal dialogue where you learn and understand more. You still hating? The reason why you still hating is because you still hate yourself. You're very jealous. You never want to see nobody else do nothing great in their life because you're looking down on yourself. Stop looking down on yourself. Stop hating on people, because when you're hating, you're involved with Satan. So I bind that hateful spirit up right now in Jesus' name, because you don't need it. I believe in you. If you don't believe in yourself, I'll believe in it for you, because I know you can do it. That's what the Lord gave you your mind for. So may the Lord bless you with strength deeper than you ever know, so you can grow and be a better person. In Jesus' name, peace.